want to buy cryptocurrency on your Exodus wallet. Over here, I'm going to do it on the desktop version. First of all, you need to open your Exodus wallet and then obviously type in your password, do your standard login, and that will present you with the home screen. This will show you your portfolio first. After that, you will see at the top, it's got your wallet, then the exchange, and after that, you can buy cryptocurrency. So click here. You can choose the currency that you want to use to buy cryptocurrency with from the list that they've got over here. To make things simple, I'm going to choose USD. I'm going to buy $100 of Ethereum, seeing that we are very close to the Ethereum split. I would just click on continue. That will take me all the way to MoonPay, one of Exodus' partners of getting you on board with your cryptocurrency. First of all, you want to enter your email. They will send you a code. There's the code. 289314. So that will go over here. 289314. There we go. Then you've got to agree. You've got to don't click this one, and then say continue. Over here, they want your basic details. Go. Say continue. Enter my billing address. From there, you're going to just carry on and say, let's go. After you input your card details, which I didn't show you because it's my card details, not yours. You must put your own. Now, what I always say is, seeing that you're coming from Exodus, you don't necessarily have to worry. They will make sure that your wallet address is the right address over here. But you can just make sure by coming back, going to your wallet, going to Ethereum, saying receive, and then this address should be the same as this address. Just for quick reference, let's say B4927, it ends in B4927. So yes, it is the exact same one. So that is okay. Going back over here, let's see, and we can say continue. I have to agree to the terms of use, and when it is ready, you can just say pay $100 and they will do their thing. So as you can see, they will tell you processing the payment, checking my ID. In about 10 minutes, you'll receive the Ethereum in your Exodus wallet, and congratulations, you just bought your first cryptocurrency in your Exodus wallet. The process works the same if you want to buy any of the other cryptocurrencies that Exodus has to offer. So watch this video next to learn more about your crypto journey. Thank you very much. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you there.